I learned to sail in 1978. I took a sailing lesson Monday through Friday. By Wednesday of that week, I knew I was going to like sailing, and I've been sailing ever since. 2 weeks after I learned to sail, I entered my first sailboat regatta. 5 races, I finished last 5 times. I was having a ball. So the next summer, I was a school teacher. My wife was a school teacher. We spent the next summer up here, and I went out and practiced every day and entered the regatta and came in first. And I came in first for 5 years, and then they said, "Jim, let somebody else win." I was an industrial arts teacher. I taught at the high school level for the first half of my career. That was a lot of fun. The second half, I was in a middle school, 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, and a little bit of everything. I was approaching retirement in 2000, and I thought, wow, wouldn't it be nice to share this with other people? So I went to a school and got a captain's license, and I did not start doing charters until the summer of 2002, because the summer of 2000 I bicycled across the United States. A few years ago I had 92 charters, and I sailed over 1,500 miles that summer with charters, and I burned all of $42 worth of fuel. Within 3 to 4 minutes of leaving my dock, I'm sailing, the engine is off. And many of my customers have been power boaters, and when the engine goes off, they say, "Wow, this is nice." But I have just had great joy on the water, time after time. The wind talks to me, the water talks to me, I listen, and I feel like I'm very much in touch with the lake and the water. It's my friend. Life should be fun. Sailing is fun, and I cannot control the wind, but I can adjust my sails. And that's what life is all about, adjusting your sails. I still love it. They're going to have to drag me off the boat when it's time for me to give it up, because I love it so much.